ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kum kawai ni kislam ay Nonghikai kabala syakri mentala lai pohon nyosnem nakabenta ban kenteu ya kapuli kaputi hapo katam Ribhoi bad ban yarap kerpang ni kisamla puli kibala kotlat ban peteng ya kajing puli ke Ribhoi College hakasantarik upunai naiwing arajar arpawai kala penpau ya kajing sngongo hadin baka Sorkar jilla kala mang ya ka sanction post lingba ka People's College Grant in Aid Scheme baka ne ka college kala yo ya ka community college bala itho da ka Sorkar hapo ka jilla Hagajing IT ka shithi baka Sorkar kala mang ban yarap seo Tulop yeki Nonghikai bat yeki Nongtrei jongani ka college la IT do menteri jongatanat pule puthi ka Sorkar jilla uba lakmen Ribhoi uba lalong kumukongsan hagani ka sngi harengkat ka jing sakhilang jong president ka governing body ka college u Dr. Didi Lapang u MLA ka Nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds u MDC ka Nongpo uba Balaji Rani ka secretary jong ka governing body ka kong WK Bla u principal jong ka college uba SSR Bamon lembat ki samla puli ki Nonghikai bat ki wei kumban supentip hangni baka Sorkar jilla ling baka People's College Grant in Aid Scheme kala depan manghado khat lai teli ki sanction post na ka benta ki bala don lepa hagani ka college bat sakhat pratli pat ki de ki post bala mang thamai bat habakhain kelum ka Ribhoi College kala yo apdiang hado lai phuwai teli ki sanctioning post bakenthop na ka benta ki Nonghikai bat ki Nongtrei ki ba shakri hapo kani ka college
It is the fact that we have so many challenges, but that does not dim on the spirit from the day one when the MDA government, under the leadership of Honorable K. Sarma, the Honorable Chief Minister, we have made a priority that education is a priority. In these last 3 years, we faced so many difficulties, you know it very well. But as I said, we have the commitment to fulfill. And that commitment that we have to take to look at higher education so that the youth of today, so that the young mind could have the facilities, should have the liberty to get the higher education. Yes, it is easier said than done, but we have to work together. I'm very happy in the last 3.5 years, we are trying to fulfill many of the promises which we are committed. Ribhoi is one of the districts where we are looking how to develop. That's why we have already completed the construction of college at Patakama. I hope next year, the 50th year of our statehood, we will be able to start the college in the Western Ribhoi, that is in Patakama. And we know that Ribhoi College, for the last 37 years, it has done a human service to the student community of the Ribhoi, to the people of the Ribhoi. And we know that the government from time to time try to extend what are facilities to this college. But it's not good enough. Yes, 13 posts have been sanctioned. About tens and thousands of students applied for scholarship. But last year, only around 7,000 students benefited from scholarship. The problem is that the income limit. I have written to the ministry that they should increase income limit to 4.5 lakh. If they increase, many of the student community will benefit. So it is a work in progress for the student welfare also. Besides that, for primary school, for elementary and secondary school, 191 LP schools have been sanctioned for accreditation, and secondary school and high school also with new building. And we hope that this year will triple, because we know that LP school all over the state, they are in a very shamble. So we want to give the infrastructure, because for quality education, you have to have quality teachers, you have to have a quality infrastructure. And we know that now, with a new teaching methodology, with new advanced technology, until and unless we have a good infrastructure, it is very difficult. Where to store the other, maybe primary school also next time they will do online, this and that. Where to store all those gadgets? It is very difficult until and unless we address this issue. Yes, many in the state are in a struggle, but we will, for the first time, the government about 400 schools is undertaken. Never ever before since the statehood that this massive infrastructure development have taken place. And we know the problem of the ad hoc appointment of teachers is lying for tens of years. Ad hoc, temporary. And we have to decide. We cannot please anybody. Being in the head of affairs, somebody will be happy and somebody will be not happy. But at some point of time, we have to start somewhere. That's why last year, more than 1,000 plus teachers have been appointed in lower primary school and upper primary school.
Sometimes we lost hope. Sometimes we get support, encouragement. Sometimes we hear the voices say to fight, to strive, and not to yield. On this encouragement, we crawl and we walk ups and down till we reach this time, this day. This is a very special occasion to mention, to upgrade our college as one of very few in the state. We are thankful to the government that they have found it fit that Ribhoi College be included in the list, and we got this announcement to you. Your kind presence gave us really encouragement and a better light. The horizon of hope is creeping our ship. Well, we are thankful for the chief guest that he has spared his time. We have been ranging several days. Days are kept, he comes here, and we kept on shifting due to the pressure of work. As a Minister of Home, Education, and other responsibilities, it's a very tough time with special situation that disturbed the peace and the way of life in the state, and all the more with the existence of the pandemic, which have created havoc and created all the fear psychosis in the mind of each and everyone. When precious souls have been taken away from among the family, and also fellow friends, and we're facing tremendous problem. Well, in spite of all this, we have today, and on behalf of the college, as the president of the college, I express my very sincere thank you, sir, that you have been here. We come here with purpose. Purpose means to see that we have really put the flag of success, that we have stepped up to this. The world is challenging. We have a lot of challenges of life, a lot of challenges of the procedures, the way of life, and the changing of the system, and the live in a way where we have to see the scientific development has touched everybody. The special way of teaching now, with the way of teaching which is quite different from the rest, is really very challenging. But we're thankful that God has created the people in this side of the country, that they have got the capacity to adapt themselves with the change. They update themselves with the changes that we have, and we're still much ahead with the success, and we thank God that we have got the talents invested in our mind by God. Well, here I'm thankful that besides Honorable Minister, we have got also our dynamic MLA, Mr. Maran Paul here. He is the first timer, no doubt, but he has outshined others in many circles. When he works, he really works very hard, and he got a will to do, and determined to do. And so the call is said, do or die. That should be the motto of the man of the success.
This initiative, we have seen the proactive steps taken by the government with regards to education. We have seen since Sir Ribhoi has taken over as the education minister, there are many bold steps that has been taken, even though it has been taken quite a few some time to deliver due to many reasons known to everyone, especially due to COVID-19. But today, we are happy to be here, that this college will be regarded as a people's college. Thank you so much, sir. And we know the groundwork that you have done by yourself. We know the groundwork that have done by the officer concerned, by the bureaucrats, be it at the secretariat, be it at district level. And we are happy to see that education in our state, it has going from strength to strength. Not only the special recognition of the 9 colleges within the state as People's College. Positive step has been witnessed with regards to strengthening of the lower primary school within the state. We cannot deny the fact. We cannot deny the fact. Even in our area in Ribhoi district also, many government schools, government LP schools, they have been assisted with many infrastructure with regards to proper classroom, with proper teaching, where we have seen that many teachers' new recruitment has been done through MTech. This is a great achievement by the Education Department. Not only to have the proper infrastructure at the ground for the lower primary, for the upper primary, but at the same time to have a quality education in our area. Will be the topper in Ngut, in the degree. From my side, I would like to give an award and a cash prize, a special cash prize, for all those students who will do well and all those students who will be topper in top 10 from Ribhoi district, irrespective of their constituency, from Ribhoi district as a whole, those who will be a topper from 2022 onward. From my side, I will give an award and a cash prize to all those within the top 10. It is like an inspiration to a student of Ribhoi, and we will look forward that each and everyone who are still studying here, they will do well, and we wish them all the best in the days to come. And I would like our beloved teacher to please convey this message, because most of the students are not here. So please convey this message to all of them, so that we can fulfill their dreams.
Another thing, when we should recall the history of the college, especially of the Ribhoi College, because we don't want us to forget the people who have taken the bold initiative to start this college. People who have suffered, people who have gone through thick and thin, through needles and pins, along the experience of running this college at the initiative stage. Ribhoi College is the most important higher educational institution in Ribhoi district. The college was initially set up as an intermediate college on the 9th of September 1984. Years have passed. This is all under the driving force, the bold initiative, the guidance and inspiration of no one else but our beloved President of the governing body, Dr. Didi Lapa. Sir, thank you very much for all that you've done for Ribhoi College in the past and till now. 37 years we have passed. Established on the 9th of September 1984. We received the ad hoc grant in aid received from the government in December 1986. Pre-degree arts affiliation December 1986. Permission to open degree classes from the government March 1992. Professional degree affiliation 1993. Deficit grant and aid from the government on the 1st of April 1997. Professional affiliation for the BCom study is 2004. Permanent affiliation for degree arts 2005. Recognition of the college under section 2F and 12B of the UGC Act 1956, September 2019. Now we have the number of the GB members 15 plus 2 from the neighborhood representatives. Total number of teaching and non-teaching staff, as of today we have 51, including the 13 sanctioned posts. Total enrollment in the degree is 1,118, including we would have crossed 2,000, including the class 11 and 12. Today we are here because of the government application to make our college into a people's college, which we have long been awaiting for this.
There are more teachers in the college course than in the sanction course. When you balance the style of functioning, I know that we will not be able to achieve 100%. But this time, I will change the style of functioning from balancing to strike forward. To strike forward is like a soldier who strikes forward in the battlefield. I still remember one point. The charge of the Light Brigade. The captain will ask his soldier, march forward, go and die. But you, my dear teachers and non-teaching staff, I will ask you to move forward, but you will not die. You will arrive. you will kicking, you will alive, you will kicking, and you will able to strive forward, and whatever you have received from the government, you have to pay back to the students. The students know their right, parents know their rights, and it is our duty and responsibility to give them back to the students. I call upon all the teaching staff and non-teaching staff, together with the governing body of Ribhoi College, we have to stand united so that we will be able to achieve the target.